Pip is a tiny mouse who loves the night wind. Every night he listens to its soft secrets. Tonight, the wind grows louder and stronger. He hides deep inside his warm burrow. But he remembers. The wind tells brave hearts secrets. Pip peeks out again, fur trembling in the breeze. He lets the wind brush over his tiny ears. In the wind, he hears a promise of home. The wind dances around Pip's tiny paws. He stands still, letting it tell him secrets. Leaves whisper through the meadow, calming his heart. He feels brave. Carried by the night wind, the wind hums, "You are never alone." He closes his eyes, trusting its soft song. The meadow hums a lullaby just for Pip. Tonight, he sleeps safe, wrapped in the night wind. The wind hums softly through the tall grass. He breathes easy, safe in his soft nest. The stars blink slowly, guarding his dreams. He dreams of warm winds and quiet fields. His whiskers twitch in a gentle dream laugh. The night wind keeps him warm, like a soft blanket. No fear, no worry, just the wind's hush. Tonight he sleeps, the night wind's soft secret.